Most cyclists rely on basic maps, but you won't believe how much better your rides become when you use proper route planning tools. The surprising truth about Ride with GPS is that it's more powerful than most people realize. Ride with GPS is a navigation and route planning app made specifically for cyclists. It allows you to plan routes, track rides, analyze performance, and share trips with others. You can create routes using interactive maps, choosing road type, elevation, and distance. This is extremely helpful for avoiding highways, finding bike-friendly paths, and planning long rides. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for professionals. In reality, beginners benefit just as much, especially for navigation and safety. The app offers turn-by-turn voice navigation, similar to Google Maps, but optimized for cycling. It also shows elevation profiles, so you know how hard the ride will be before starting. One strong feature is community routes. You can search routes created by other cyclists in your area. This is perfect for discovering new trails and scenic roads. The free version is good for tracking and basic navigation. The paid version unlocks offline maps, advanced analytics, and detailed planning tools. The downside is complexity. New users may feel overwhelmed by features and menus. It takes some time to learn everything. Battery usage can also be high during long rides with navigation active. In conclusion, Ride with GPS is one of the best cycling apps for serious and casual riders alike. If you want safer routes, better planning, and deeper insights, it's worth using. Subscribe for more honest app reviews before you download. Title start Plum guide review usage experience title BND script start Most people think all vacation rentals are the same. But here's the surprising truth. The quality difference between platforms can completely change your travel experience, and Plum Guide is a perfect example of that. Plum Guide is a premium home rental platform that focuses on high-quality stays. Unlike marketplaces where anyone can list a property, Plum Guide claims to accept only a small percentage of homes after a detailed review process. They test everything from Wi-Fi speed to shower pressure before approving a listing. My usage experience started with browsing. The interface feels clean and simple, similar to a luxury hotel website. You can search by city, dates, number of guests, and specific needs like work-friendly spaces or family homes. Each listing includes detailed photos, floor plans, and verified amenities. Most people get this wrong by assuming Plum Guide is cheaper than hotels. In reality, prices are often higher than regular vacation rentals, but usually competitive with high-end hotels. You are paying for reliability, not bargains. Booking is straightforward. You choose a property, confirm availability, and pay securely through the platform. There are no hidden service fees like some other rental sites, which is a nice surprise. One major advantage is customer support. Plum Guide offers 24/7 assistance, and if your stay does not match the description, they promise to relocate you or refund you. This level of protection is rare in short-term rentals. The downside is limited inventory. Plum Guide does not have as many properties as larger platforms, especially in smaller cities or rural areas. You may not always find options for every destination. In conclusion, Plum Guide is ideal for travelers who value comfort, reliability, and quality over price. If you want fewer surprises and more premium stays, it's worth using. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews before you book.